Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send and cancel scheduled email in Gmail. So let's get started. First of all, open Gmail application. After that, click on Compose button at the bottom right corner. Then here you enter the email ID of the person whom you want to send it. After that, here you can enter a subject for the email, and then here you write your email. After that, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Then here you select Schedule Send. After that, tap to select one of the options suggested by Gmail, or you can set a custom send date and time by tapping Pick Date and Time. And then here you select date and time. After that, click on Schedule Send. Now your email will be sent in your selected schedule. Now if you want to see that schedule email, then open Gmail and click on three lines at the top left corner. After that, click on Schedule Date. And here you can see your scheduled email. If you want to cancel it, then just tap on that email. After that, here you click on Cancel Send. Now your scheduled email will be cancelled. So by this process you can send and cancel scheduled email in Gmail. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.